Making this salad for the guests tonight. It actually came out delicious, got lots of compliments. I've made similar salads in the past, but not this particular one. Definitely gonna make it in the future. Very easy, colorful, and quite yummy. Big party size portion. Generally, I have problem cooking small portions, but a very small oven, so I'm gonna cook my peppers in 2 goes. I cook them al dente. They still have a bite to them, and I let them cool in 1 layer so they do not steam each other and remain kind of not quite cooked. This sheep cheese is quite gorgeous, I must say, quite pungent, salty. It's quite hard as well, but I managed to crumble it with a fork, so not to wash the grater, to tell the truth. So here is 1/2 kilo of cheese here. I have a wild kind of thyme here, dry, or just use oregano or thyme or whatever kind of strong tasting herbs you fancy here. Strained yogurt, 400 grams, all went in. I'm aiming here for quite strong tasting, thick base for our salad, so I used all the cheese I had here at the end, added more yogurt, more herbs. Perhaps I should have added some garlic, couple of cloves minced. It just didn't cross my mind at the time, but probably would have been not such a bad idea here. You can add some olive oil if you like as well here. As the peppers cool down, I quickly make a dressing for them. So here I have about a tablespoon of honey, balsamic vinegar, and some blunt it's not olive oil, it's just a regular sunflower oil here. Just keep tasting. I've added a bit more vinegar here, salt, black pepper, but the squeeze of lemon really brought everything together. So we have a small amount, sweety, soury, quite a lovely dressing for our peppers here. Aiming for a rustic effect here, so I'm spreading more or less haphazardly my cheese and yogurt base on a big flat dish. I'm aiming to create some borders here as well. As the peppers are not quite cooked, I can only take skin off in places, which is fine. It's not noticeable generally because, again, they are not quite cooked, so we just peel it where it goes off easily. So I quickly go through my peppers and I tear them into kind of thin strips. And now I just roll each strip in our vinegary dressing and arrange it on top of the yogurt base in a kind of as artistic fashion as I can. A small bunch of fresh herbs, parsley, coriander, and purple basil, which is actually quite gorgeous. So I only would use the tender parts of the bunch, and 2 very small onions here. So I would chop everything fine, onions in semicircles, and the herbs as fine as I manage. A handful of walnuts, they did add a lovely crunch, so fine chopped, not too fine because we want to see and taste them. Herbs and onions, a little squeeze of lemon, some salt, and now we're just finishing off our salads with they go on top of the peppers and the walnuts on the very top, and kind of sprinkle some more herbs, and there we are. Lovely, lovely, lovely salad. Enjoy.